Sorry, Smokey the cat. Your world record title for loudest purr has just been seized by English cat Merlin. 13-year-old Merlin now is the world's loudest purr at nearly 70 decibels. It sounds like this. For some perspective, 100 decibels is as loud as a revving motorcycle. Merlin's owner, Tracy Westwood, says, when you're watching films, you have to turn the telly up or put him out of the room. If he's eating, he'll purr loudly. I can hear him when I'm drying my hair. If he's cleaning, it gets louder, and sometimes if the telephone rings, I do get people asking me, what's that noise in the background? For more important cat news, stay tuned to IGN.